Hello and welcome to today's Insta Live series. Are you stressed or you are coming across lot of stress, mood swings, frustrated, irritated, getting angry immediately? So this video is for you. Today I am going to cover self-care tips. Hi, whoever has joined, welcome to this Insta Live series. Every day I cover 109 health hacks to have a super healthy lifestyle. A special welcome. My name is Dr. M.K. Shivani. I'm a medical professional, serial entrepreneur, and a wellness coach. My mission is to inspire, guide, and coach and empower individuals to have a super healthy lifestyle with my medical knowledge and my experiential tips. So, in today's topic, I am going to cover self care and why it is important. You know that we are into quarantine time because of the uncertainty. We are staying with the family. We never used to spend so much time with the family. So different people, different conversation, you come across lot of stress. Sometimes you get irritated because we have to adjust with so many personalities. And anyway, if your tendency is there that you come across lot of stress that you are not aware, that will see about the mood swings. So if you are coming across lot of stress or confusion, irritation and mood swings, it's a time to take self-care. So I'm talking about this quarantine period right now, but even if you are not into the quarantine period, uh, definitely if you are having a stress, there are different methods of stress. Some of people will go for yoga, meditation, but it will take time and you have to develop that habits. But these are self-care activities which I am going to talk is really necessary just to change your mood. What I have done is, in many 15, 20 years back, when I was undergoing stress and from the teenage, because we are overwhelmed, we are uncertain about the future, every time I used to come across that, and then I used to get diverted just to change the mood. So in today's time also, I don't have that much stress, but in front of my mirror there is a list of self-care tips. If you feel you are not feeling good, if you are feeling low, never give up. Please do following things, because this is very important, making of self-care list and keeping in front of you, because you are not aware when your mood changes, when you are under stress and you don't know what it is you should switch over to. That's why I prepare my self-care list, and every year I review that what makes me feel good. So why self-care is important? Definitely for a healthy lifestyle, nutrition is more important. और न्यूट्रिशन से बहुत सारे ये अच्छा फील होता है. बट apart from that, your lifestyle, the quality of life is important, and how you do the activities. That's why I have given so much of stress in making that self-care list. So whenever you are off the track, you are confused, irritated, that time that list is in front of you, so you will not waste time what to do. And this tip is very much essential nowadays, because now my teenager son is there and he doesn't know what to do. So I keep on telling him do this, do that, but he doesn't know what to do. So what I have done is I have made a self-care list which he likes, and I have kept in front of him. So I tell him, okay, you just see what you would like to do. So then he selects one activity. So this is very, very good tip, that keeping self-care list in front of you. Why I have spent so much time? Because of the experience. Now let me talk. Now self-care list may be different for you, different for children, different, but normally it is of same. Mostly some of the things are common. The first thing is that whenever you feel, why you have to do this self-care activity is, first you have to change your mood from negative to positive to reduce the stress, and the third thing is to boost and mood and feel good about yourself, because when you do self-care you will feel good about yourself. When you will feel good about yourself, your creativity and productivity will affect. Yes, so many people are losing jobs. Few of your friends have tried suicide attempts. Yes, pathetic. It's a very good comment you have tell, and that's what I'm telling you, because I just don't talk much negative, but right now diverting your mind from what thoughts is very important. You will get bored to do yoga, you will get bored to do exercises, or you will be very bored of watching inspirational things, or it is a good thing. But this self-care, because that will make you feel good and you will come out of those depressed thoughts, negative frequency. So let me talk about the list. The first thing is that just whenever you are feeling like that, or even if you are not feeling, you please take care of yourself by doing these small self-care activities to pamper yourself. Okay, not about stress, but pamper yourself. When you keep on pampering, you just look at your child, you keep on pampering him, how powerful he feels or she feels, or how good he or she feels. That way we are also a small child within, so you have to pamper yourself weekly. So let's talk one activity. Just go to the nature. Just go out for a nature for 2 minutes walk or 5 minutes walk and just observe the greenery whenever you are feeling like that. The second thing is that every after 1 hour, there should be 5 to 7 minutes of break, and you can have a herbal tea. I will not recommend tea or coffee, or you can have a herbal tea or whatever you feel like, eating little good snack. You will feel good. So taking a break every after 1 hour for 5 to 7 minutes. Don't do the work continuously for 3 hours. Just take a 5 minutes or 7 minutes break. If very important work is there, you can work for 2 hours, but take a break in between is important. The third one is that digital detox is very important. Again, I have covered in many topics that blue light filter, but 1 day or half day digital detox. Just be away from all social media, from the phone, and just be yourself and enjoy. Digital detox is also a self-care activity. Yes. Brand, please, herbal tea. Basically, you should take a caffeine type of herbal tea. I personally take green tea. Green tea, that is Nutrilite protein with green tea. But herbal tea is the Girnar Kadha is coming, Kahawa. So that is with so any herbal tea which is rich in antioxidants, but they are caffeine free. You can go for that. Usually I go for Girnar or Tulsi organic herbal tea. You can do that. The fourth one is there, that is you can take a little nap in between. Just afternoon nap for 10-15 minutes. Just put an alarm or sleep early sometimes. You just pamper yourself by sleeping early or by doing that. Then definitely you have to watch inspiring videos. If people are getting these kind of suicidal thoughts, definitely it's a time to see the inspirational video Never Give Up. You just Google it out. There are so many motivational videos, Never Give Up, and how they have come up of suicidal thoughts. I'm not thinking you have those suicidal thoughts, but whenever you are feeling too low, it is because you are losing confidence within yourself. You are having a fear of future or some regret of the past. That's why it is happening. So in that case, just see the inspirational videos. Listen to inspirational audios, because your thought becomes things. If you are thinking positive, the positive thing will attract. This is not a topic, but just go for inspirational videos. Then sometimes you give your healthy treat, जो आपका favorite खाना है, जो आपको सबसे अच्छा लगता है. Just treat yourself. 1 day cheat हो सकता है. So you just treat yourself. Whenever you are feeling low, you can have your little healthy treat, जो भी अच्छा लगता है आपको, sweet है, you can have like that whenever you are feeling, but only in a limited quantity. Then have some creative activity, whatever you like. You may be liking drawing or doing some creative work where you will get engrossed in creating something. So that is very important. So I'm giving a list. So out of that you can select. So these are things which like me. So even if you have got particular activity that make you feel good, you please comment it. I will be more than happy to check that activity also. And then sometimes when you are feeling, just go and change, go to the bathroom and just take a warm bath with some salt and turmeric powder. Just add salt and turmeric powder and take a bath, because it removes the negativity and you will feel good. But not very hot, little warm bath you can take. Then next is cuddling with your loved ones. You will release the pressure. You know that whenever you are in a deep pain, and the mother's love is the most important. Just go and express herself. कुछ भी हो जाए, उसके लैप पे सोने से बहुत अच्छा लगता है. So motherly love. So you can cuddle your loved ones. You can cuddle your children. Nothing like that. Yes, you see your favorite movie Three Idiots and Time Bomb when I'm down. Yes, great. You should have that one kick, what it gives you kick. So you can listen to that favorite dialogue of any movie or just see movie. That's a very good activity. Then next is that this may be utilized for male also. But what I do is I just do my facial and just pamper myself by using the face mask. Have you observed if you apply face mask and just be there and clean it, you will feel so good about it, face mask, because what will happen is it reduces the stress, it pulls out the stress. So use the facial mask. Even if you are men, you can try the facial mask, do those little massage yourself only and apply the face mask and clean and organize. This is my favorite activity. Whenever I'm in stress, what I will do is I'll just clean everything and organize. Yesterday only I covered declutter, so I feel okay, it is gone now, negativity is gone. So clearing and organizing and decluttering something, but not too extreme. You can do sometimes. Yes, bomb bin. Yes, and then next one is there. You can listen to music because music changes your mood, and I know most of the Indians, 99% like music. So whatever music makes you feel boost up, maybe the English music, rocky music, some sacred Sanskrit mantras or some Hindi, which makes you feel, even if there are good motivational songs in Hindi. My favorite Hindi song is Laksh Ka Jo Hai, and my favorite English is Brazil. So what makes you feel good, the motivational, listen to that music and song. Music changes your mood. Actually the music is life. When you talk, it brings those sat swaras, sa re ga ma pa dha ni sa. Then always have a gratitude. If you have the daily writing habit of gratitude, you will never experience mood swings. Early morning, writing those gratitude. What are those three things which has happened good for me yesterday? When you are remembering, yes, yesterday this thing happened, this thing happened, this thing happened. Then when you express the gratitude, it is a very positive and a sacred feeling. You will not come. Gratitude and fear will never come. They are enemies. So if you are having gratitude, the fear will not come. If you are accompanying fear, gratitude will never come. So always have a gratitude in the morning. Just take 2-3 minutes. That's a good self-care activity, because gratitude brings a good this thing. Then call someone to whom you care, whom you love, or to whom you can talk your things. Call or meet someone. Now meeting is very difficult nowadays, but you can meet on Zoom. Just your closest friend, your mentor, just talk to him if you are feeling low, and they can give you the solution. The next one is their afternoon. Usually what I take a break and I explore some new things from Google. Then when I explore some new things which is in alignment with my business, which is in alignment with whatever I'm interested in, any health or lifestyle, something I get new and I get boost up, because always this little new knowledge will give you boost up. So this is my one of the self-care activity. Then journal writing is also important. I know that this is not very common, and which is people think that it takes time, but hardly it takes 3 times. You just write down your journal how you felt, and when you will look at the journal later on, you will feel like laughing why your mood was low. So even if you are writing journal writing about how you feel good or how you feel down, that will know your patterns, that will help you. Just write 2-3 minutes, no problem. But again, it is a time consuming, you feel, but that is a good self-care activities in the long term if you want to see your emotional patterns. Then meditation is always better, but how many people implement that, it is very difficult. But just meditation, there is a myth that when we sit for meditation, the thoughts should not come. In fact, the thoughts should come, because when you will start telling thought don't come, then it will start coming only. So you just have a little guided meditation. You start practicing if you are overcoming stress. And the last one is pamper yourself by massage. You can take self massage, or nowadays we cannot go to the spa therapy, but usually I go once in a month to pamper myself with body massage in the spa. So that's about self-care. Again, whoever has joined late, I just would like to do this video. I'm going to upload in my IGTV, even though it is long, because a long IG video reduces your creditability in Instagram algorithmics. So this is the best video and which is very less covered. That's why I'm going to upload this IGTV video. You can watch this IGTV video and share it with your friends. This is about the self-care, because self-care is important. Your diet is important for your good mood, but even the lifestyle and pampering yourself to feel good about yourself and take care of your mood swings in uncertain times, the irritation, the frustration, the mood swings. That's why you should have definitely the switchover activity, that is called self-care, the pampering activities. Make a list of those self-care activities, just stick it wherever you see, on the mirror or a cupboard or a fridge, wherever. So you know that your subconscious mind always tells that when you are feeling low, and it's normal to feel low. We are not perfect. If we are perfect and enlightened, we will go. So it's good that you are feeling low and the emotions are there, but you should know your recovery time should be not more than your recovery time should not be more than 3 minutes, and in that 3 minutes you have to change your physiology. Just get up, change your physiology, change your focus, and change your thought. 3 things to do to change your mood and take self-care. Change your physiology, change your focus of the thoughts by doing self-care activities, and change your thoughts by getting engrossed in some activity which will make you feel good. So this is about the self-care activities. You please make a note of self-care activities, what makes you feel good, so that will be helpful whenever you are feeling low to switch over. Sometimes you feel so low or so engrossed, you don't know what to do and you are confused and you don't switch over immediately. So your recovery time is not more than 3 minutes. Within 3 minutes, I'm just giving you this anchor technique. Within 3 minutes, you have to change and do your self-care activities. So I'm going to upload this. Thanks for joining and watching. I would like to know your comments, that will inspire me and motivate me to give more content. Stay tuned tomorrow. I'm going to cover how simple tips to procrastinate. We keep on procrastinating things and we keep on postponing the things. So how you can stop procrastinating, even though it is not regarding health, but doing those procrastination helps you be away from your good health. You know that you are aware about these activities, but procrastinating in implementing those activities also important and plays a role in correcting your health. That's why I'm going to cover the tips how you can avoid your procrastination. See you tomorrow in Insta Live. Thanks for joining.